You're done, Chris. Get roasted by fire shit. I bet you really think you're sleek, but your bars are weak. You obsessed with the color green like Luigi. You make annoying noises that sound like a squeegee. I look on Social Blade. All I see is red. If the channel was ever alive, it was always dead. A year and a half and only 19 subs. I may not be a YouTube king, but you a YouTube scrub. Now, I might talk about the games and how you wouldn't work at all. All you were talking about is how you want Arby to twerk. You're so weird. You think you're cool, but you just queer. You had an Aubrey fetish. That made me feel sick. You said you wanted her to suck your dick. Back to the games, you got one of the worst grades in the class. Now I'ma leave you to go suck Andy's ass, but I got straight A's, call me Vic. Hey, after watching this, you're gonna go suck Andy's dick. I can remember thinking you were weird since September 2016. I ain't being mean, I'm just stating facts. When it comes to rapping, you like Jake Paul, and I'm like Dax. You got fame for your retard shows, but everyone knows you a hoe. I can count how many times you've been friend zoned. Andy, you want to? You're weird too. I saw you rhyme ages back. Everyone knows you're gay. Just come out the closet. Admit you and Chris are a couple. And then, I'ma leave you to go and cuddle. 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 Done. It's over.